Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Dora and today I'm filming with lots of products Soph's collab with Makeup Revolution, and I'm doing review and first impressions. So if you want to know what I think about that products, please keep on watching and of course subscribe to my channel. I'll start with my concealer, and I'm using Conceal and Define from Makeup Revolution. This is in the shade C8, I think, yes. And I'm just applying it on my regular places, so under the eyes, my chin, my nose, and a bit on my forehead. And I'll blend it with Real Techniques complexion sponge. And with leftovers, I'll go over my lid. Now I'll set it with my Ben Nye Luxury Banana Powder. Now we're going on the first product I'm reviewing, and today is this Soph Makeup Revolution. It's eyeshadow palette called Extra Spice, so it's a remake of her first palette. Oh my god, I can't open this. Oh, here it is. So it's really beautiful palette. Honestly, I like all of the shades. I really like this icy blue, I like this green one, this like yellow gold shade, this purpley red shade, these wonderful mattes are all great, but I think I wanna do a bit neutral look today with this palette, so I'm going into this yellow shade called Vitamin C. Next shade I'll use will be this Cookie Dough shade. I'll use it with a bit smaller blending brush, and I'll apply it more into my crease. Now I'll use this darker brown shade, it's called Chocolate Orange, and I'll focus it on my outer V, but bringing it into my crease. Whoa, this is really pigmented. For my lid I'll use shade La Sun. This is like very yellowy type of gold, and I'll try it like this, but I think I wanna wet it. Whoa, but like this is also nice. Yeah, but I wanna wet it. Pretty gold shade. And on the outer corners I'll use shade Dreams, and I'll try it with fingers. Makeup Revolution's shadows, like glitter shadows and foiled ones, are most usually best with your fingers. Now I'll blend my lower lash line with that yellow shade called Vitamin C. Next product I'm reviewing is this Soph highlighter palette. This isn't as new as this eyeshadow palette, but I didn't try it, so I wanted it. And it looks like this. It has everything. Has baked highlighters, normal highlighters, So like this is like greeny yellowy, like lime shade, a pinky shade, purpley shade, bronze shade. This is like the most golden shade I ever seen. It really has everything. I'll swatch them now. Whoa, so is this shade, this row, and it's like this. I think these are all wonderful. Oh my god. This is, I don't know, this is wonderful really. I don't know what shade should I use because I like them all. I think I'll do some kind of mix. I think I'll mix this shade and this shade. Whoa, that's intense. I'll use this Freedom Trio to contour a bit. For bronzer today I'm using this NYX matte bronzer in the shade Deep Tan. Today's blush is this from Wet n Wild in the shade Pearlescent Pink. Now I am applying my Azaredo lashes in the style Legendary. And I'm done, just my lips now. I'll use NYX's lip liner in the shade Sandstorm. And I'll fill in my lips with this Soph lipstick in the shade Cake. Doesn't have any smell, it's like nude shade. Whoa, oh my god, this is so creamy and actually very pigmented for some creamy lipstick. Oh my god. Like butter on my lips, I really like it, but I want it to be just a bit more like ombre effect. Like that. So guys, this is my completed look using Soph's products in collabing with Makeup Revolution, and I really like all of them. Highlighter is beaming. This lipstick, I honestly didn't expected such a creamy, and it's like so pigmented butter on your lips. It feels wonderful, really. Makeup Revolution, I know they have like the best eyeshadows, so I'm not surprised, and I like all of the shades I used, and that's it. Really nice work. Look at my hand. Really nice work. I'm honestly impressed with all of the products, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and of course subscribe to my channel. Bye!